how's it going, guys? It's your host BV Central, and today we're going to show you how to set up the class 313 into service. And if you haven't gotten the route already so far, please click on the pop-up icon that's popping up on your screen right about now. This video will show you how to download and install the route onto your computer. Also, if you want to be in contact with the developers of the route, please check out their website 𝐁𝐕𝐄 where you can see their current project status, what they're currently working on. And if you want to be in touch with them, please follow their Twitter account. Links will be in the description below, and let's get straight into the video. So first things first, we've got to click F on our keyboard, then V, and if you hear this noise, don't worry, all you have to do is press insert on our keyboard and then we're good to go. For the next part, we'll be pressing number 4 on our keyboard, which should be on the top row, not the right hand side. So we press number 4, that will switch on the tail lights on. If we press them again, we'll be switching them off. Followed by number 5 as well. Number 5 will be to switch on the headlamps. So if we press that on, that will switch the headlamps on. If we press them again, that'll switch the headlamps off. The best way to do this is to go in exterior mode by pressing F2 on your keyboard, F3 or F4. That way you can go position yourself in front of the train to see which lights are on and which lights are off. For the next part, we're going to press 7 on our keyboard. This will allow the train to change destination display in front of the train, as you can see in the video. I'm not sure why I keep moving the camera like that, but as you can see, the destination board of the train keeps changing every time I press 7. So in this case, we're gonna go to Houston Junction. But again, if you do want to go back to your previous destination, I'm afraid you have to keep on pressing 7 until you come back, unfortunately. To open and close the doors on the left hand side of the train, press F5, and to open and close the right hand side of the train, press F6. Also, another important thing before we go is every time you close the door, you have to wait a couple of seconds until you hear a bell from the guard. When you hear this bell, that means the guard saying that the train is now clear and is asking for your confirmation that you're ready to go. In order to reply back to guard, press 6 twice the same way the guard pressed it. That way you're clear to go and you're telling the guard of the train that you're ready to go. Another thing to note is if you're in the cab and you have a red light that's lit, please press the space bar, because this will not allow, if you don't press the space bar, this will not allow the train to move. So you need to press this in order to move. Once it's not lit anymore, you'd have to press the space bar. You only press the space bar once you're terminating the train, or in this case, starting up the train. Finally, to accelerate your train, press Z on your keyboard. You have 4 gears, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll let you guys play around and see which ones is much more faster and which one is slower. And also to reduce the gears, you can press A on your keyboard. This could bring you from 3 to 1. Also, to switch the mode of the driving, press F on your keyboard for forward, V to go back to neutral, and then V again to go back to reverse. Also, to brake is comma to brake, less, and full stop to brake more. So to have more braking power, press the full stop on your keyboard. To have less braking power, press the comma on your keyboard.